The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS hardtop. If you look at it from a cursory glance looking in, it's a boxy looking, just a plain Jane
basic car.
But people love them.
Yeah.
I mean, they are revered in the Malibu, Chevelle, mid-60s Chevrolet camp. They just absolutely go nuts over these.
Right.
They just like that kind of everyman's car. And that's the Nova was like that.
Exactly.
They were inexpensive.
Yep.
Everybody could get in and buy one, and then you could do all kinds of fun things with it. You could do kind of modifications and hop different carburetors. I mean, this one has got a 383 stroker, so it's a little different from original with the turbo hydromatic 350 as well. But it's a true SS. It's got the 10-bolt rear, power brakes, amazing driving car. And a lot of people would not get this. They would look at this and say, especially non-car people, and they say, it's just a boxy-looking car. But there's something magical about a Nova and a Malibu Chevelle from the 60s that really captures people's attention.
It's true, and they do very well here.
They do. They don't
hang around long.
They don't last
I actually drove this one, and the power brakes are insane. I mean, you're not used to power brakes on a 65.
Usually you need a little bit of room between you and whatever's in front of
right.
you.
These work great.